Python is a powerful programming language that is used by many professionals in variety of industries like data science, artificial intelligence, web development. So if you are familiar with the basics of programming language that is Python, this course is going to take your skills to the next level. Hi, I am Dr. Pooja Bichlani. I will be the instructor throughout this course for you. So welcome to the Python Intermediate course. In this course, you are going to learn each and every concept practically. All the examples directly we are going to apply on VS Code. Throughout this course, what are the topics that you will be coming across are the data structures. Not only the basic data structures implementation, but also the advanced data structures we are going to include. Not only that, the file handling system, how to write and read a text and a CSV file. Then also the exceptions, how to handle the exceptions in Python we have included. Object-oriented programming approach. You are going to learn about the abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance in detail with the implementation. So what are you waiting for? This is the time to join the course and get your career to the next level. Thank you.